My name is Anna Ruth.
And I apologize again.
Not a problem. I've started a nonprofit called National Student Speakers Association. And as I've alluded to before, it was just a formalization of what we've already been doing. So these past 4 or 5 years, most of my weekends has been about going out and trying to help the community in some shape or form. I think that a big reason why I did that is because when I go to bed at night, tonight I will sleep better than I did yesterday. Because I know that I've done something meaningful and impactful in someone's life, right? Even if it's just one person, that is enough to make me feel happy and content with myself, right? Because my own personal thing when I was deciding what I wanted to do is I knew I wanted to do something with some of my friends, but I decided to start a nonprofit over a corporation for 2 reasons. The first one is that I didn't necessarily need the money at the time, which again, I'm very fortunate, I'm very blessed, and I'm very thankful to be in such a situation. And the second reason was more about the nature of the organization, right? We didn't want to make a profit off of helping our community, right? You help your community, it is selfish, right, in one way or another because you feel good about yourself, but that's the least selfish you can possibly ever do. And that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to make a change in something that we had already been doing and something that we knew, right? Like, we did not know much about starting a charity that would donate food, right? And we, things like Feeding America exist, right? And we support them. We go out and we help. But when we were thinking about starting our own nonprofit, it was more about what can we do, what do we bring to the table that's not there that we can expand to help our community.